Good day, Governor. I've always wanted to say that. What I'm about to propose may sound like a farce or a joke, but I'm as serious about that as I am about paying taxes, and I've done so faithfully, albeit reluctantly, for about 35 years. If you'd like to give the tax-paying, law-abiding citizens of California a sense of hope and elevate their spirits, especially after the economic roller coaster that we've been on for the last few years, and given the current budget stalemate, this idea will probably do that and more. No one likes to pay taxes, but most of us recognize the benefits that our tax revenues provide our communities. And it's the law. Some people will do whatever they can to avoid the sting. How do we get more people to pony up voluntarily? Why not use the carrot approach instead of the stick? And this idea could be applied at the state as well as the federal level. What if every year you paid your taxes, your name was entered into a lottery for a number of prizes? For example, 5,000 taxpayers get the taxes they owe waived. Another 5,000 taxpayers would get their refunds doubled. For an average California refund, that's probably less than $1,000. And another 10 people would get a nice clean million. Tax-free, of course. Our state and federal governments are looking for ways to minimize the cost of enforcement and increase voluntary tax filings, as well as increase our tax revenues. Of the $100+ billion that California will collect this year, if this program increases voluntary filings by even 1%, the program would more than pay for itself. In fact, this program would be a drop in the bucket. I'm certain that if some of the brilliant young minds that we have in our state government gave this idea some serious consideration, an equitable set of prizes could be devised to come up with an optimal return while giving you and me a reason to file on time. If this idea is abhorrent to anyone because they think it's another socialist plot to give away their hard-earned money, the tax forms could include a little checkbox at the bottom for them to opt out of the lottery. Not only would this idea increase voluntary filings, but it would likely change the way people view paying their fair share, as well as their view of the agency that collects those taxes. Don't you agree? There's a lot of reasons to create such a program. I can't think of any not to. Thanks for viewing the video, and please feel free to comment.